What's up, everybody? Just wanted to do a quick video on these couple knives I picked up today. See there. Same thing. I got two of them for a couple bucks. They're stiletto style, back locks though, manual openers. So there's what it looks like opened, and then, like I said, back lock. That locks to get your little nail hole right there. Blade is 4 inches overall. When it's opened, it's a little over 4.5 inches. I mean 8.5 inches. Sorry. When it's closed, it's about 4.5 inches or so. It's kind of weird. There's the American flag with the eagle there, and then it's black there. I really understood that, but I don't know. I like them. They're Jaguar. Jaguar, it says right there on the blade. I mean, they're nice. I like them. Pretty sharp. Holds in your hand nice. I like it. But the reason I got them is because, there's an American flag on them. When you see something with an American flag, at least I do anyways, I say, oh, I need to get that. So I got two of them. I might give my buddy one, so I don't know. But there they are. Any questions or anything, just let me know. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.